What if the future of wind power doesn't stand on the ground at all? China is now pushing the boundaries of airborne wind energy with a system known as S1500. Instead of massive steel towers, the S1500 uses an inflatable aerostat filled with helium. At those heights, wind behaves very differently. Near the surface, wind is slowed and disrupted by terrain, buildings, and temperature effects. But above 1,000 meters, winds are stronger, more consistent, and more predictable. Atmospheric science shows that wind speed typically increases logarithmically with altitude. Since wind power scales with the cube of wind speed, doubling wind speed can produce 8 times more power. That's the physics behind airborne wind energy. The S1500 is built around a lightweight, airship-like structure made from advanced composite materials. Helium provides lift. Carbon fiber components minimize mass. Power is generated on board by multiple small generators. Electricity travels down conductive tether cables to the ground. Rather than one massive generator, the system uses distributed micro-generators. The total output reaches around 1 megawatt, comparable to a large conventional wind turbine. Traditional wind turbines face fundamental limits. Towers become exponentially heavier as height increases. Foundations require massive amounts of concrete. Transport and installation are slow and expensive. Airborne systems bypass those limits entirely. The S1500 uses up to 30% less structural material, deploys faster, and doesn't require permanent foundations. That makes it especially suitable for deserts, islands, mountain regions, and remote or off-grid locations. The system was developed by SAWES with academic support from Tsinghua University. Flight tests in Western China have demonstrated stable lift, controlled operation, and power transmission. Airborne wind energy has been studied for decades, but scaling it beyond prototypes has been the biggest challenge. The S1500 shows that megawatt-level airborne systems are technically achievable. This doesn't replace ground-based wind overnight, but it expands where clean energy is possible. High-altitude wind is one of the largest untapped renewable energy resources on Earth. Airborne systems like the S1500 are early steps toward accessing it safely and economically. The wind hasn't changed. How we harvest it has.